lose my job for this one.
This is the worst code I've ever seen. John, your code is a joke.
It's not what it looks like.
Yeah, we've all done it, but wow. Okay.
What is this? Oh my god.
Make it.
Hey, man.
Hey, how's it going?
It's going all right, but I do have some news for you. So we need to cut budget, like a lot of budget. So we're thinking about replacing the DevRel team with a prompt engineer.
Prompt engineer.
Yeah, I mean, you guys are just really expensive. So what we're going to do is test it out. What you should build. It's a social networking app. So it's going to be you versus an AI. And I think, like, just give it a day. So I'll check in with you tomorrow.
A day?
Yeah, just a day. It's fine. But I got to go, man. Golf's not going to play itself. So I'll see you later. Good luck.
Okay, I have 1 day to build this app. If I don't get it done, I lose my job. If the prompt engineer spits out something that the judges like more, then I lose my job. So I gotta do this not just for me, but for humanity. So first up, we need to disable all AI stuff that's running on our computer. We want this to be organic human neurons firing in a human brain that builds this super awesome application. So that means no GitHub Copilot, no Supabase AI. Oh man, this is gonna be so much slower than I thought. Build a social... Oh, wait, it's not what it looks like. I'm just using it as design inspiration. But Stack Overflow isn't AI. Build a social networking platform. Are you a human being? Even Stack Overflow assumes the only people building apps are robots. So I can still copy pasta code from wherever and try and glue it all together. I'm still a developer, but just not specifically using AI. So I'm gonna start this project the same way I start pretty much every project, which is by using this with Supabase template for Next.js. This gives us all the Supabase bits and authentication already wired up, which is really gonna help because we don't have long to build this app. So let's get into it. Okay, it's been about 2 hours. I'm still feeling pretty confident I'm gonna get this done. We have the basic structure of our application. We have this posts page, which shows only the posts from the people that you're following. To do that, I created this follows table, which maps one user to a user that they are following. And then the posts in their home feed are filtered based on the users that they're following. Time to add a lot more people.
5 hours later.
Okay. I spent way too long adding people. I've burnt through most of the day, but check it out. We now have a list of people that you can follow. To get this list, I looked up the top 200 contributors to the Supabase project on GitHub, then wrote a nasty little script to create a new Supabase user for each of those contributors. So that was with this slightly terrifying block of SQL code, but it works. And hopefully all these familiar faces will give the judges a nice warm fuzzy feeling, and warm fuzzy judges means more points, which means I win. I want to make onboarding a little bit more interesting, a little bit more stressful. What if I add a timer and the only way they can pass... All right, let me just implement it. So the user now has 60 seconds to make 50 friends. If they fail to do this, then they fail their onboarding. What a great way to make meaningful connections. Now I have one more thing that I want to implement, but I don't know that I have enough time. Let me just focus. Oh wait, never mind. It's literally an NPM package called React Kunami. But to see what this little Easter egg does, you're gonna have to wait for the judges section. So now all I need to do is push this to... when was the last time I saved? What's the latest version in prod? I'm gonna lose my job. Hopefully the prompt engineer completely phones it in, and then we'll be okay. I'm John, but with an H. I'm a prompt engineer. I work maybe a couple of hours a day if I'm feeling it, and I churn out 10 analog engineers worth of work with my mate ChatGPT. Can I build a social networking app? Of course, I'm a prompt engineer. Okay, let's get the tools ready. chatgpt.com. Huh? 404 error? What does that mean? I'll ask ChatGPT. Oh, wait. What do I do? Never mind. I spelled ChatGPT wrong. Whoops. Happens all the time. Okay. Build a social networking platform using next.js and Supabase. What's Supabase? ChatGPT will know. I love you, ChatGPT. Mwah. And now we wait. Ah, it's done. That was fast. Wonder how the other guy's going. Okay, code looks good. Design could be improved. Make it look nicer. Looks like a lot of steps for me to do. And it's definitely kombucha o'clock. Guess this will have to do.
Hey, I'm Alistair from the front-end team here at Supabase.
Hey guys, I'm Tyler. I'm on the dev team of Supabase.
Hi everyone, I'm Thor. I work on developer experience at Supabase. Alright, let's have a look what the Johns have put together.
It says you need to sign in, so I will follow the instructions.
Follow 50 more people. Oh Jesus, okay.
50 seconds left, oh my word.
Definitely leave John Mayers out. Just kidding.
Ivan, definitely not Kevin.
We have 20 seconds. I guess we have to wait. Failed onboarding.
It looks like you failed onboarding.
Is that because I didn't follow 50 people? Well,
Follow 17 more people. Okay, but I get another 60 seconds to do it. Very nice. I still don't want to follow Kevin. -7 more. That's a small bug, but never mind.
-3 more people. Oh, I get the game now. There we go. I passed the onboarding.
so we got a For Me section. Just had a lovely picnic in the park. Good for you, Wembo.
Just had a lovely picnic in the park.
Okay, I can't like these. That's a disappointment. I wanted to like Wendo's post. Karis has a new puppy. Better congratulate her.
The likes have changed. Wait, are they? Yes, they're just random numbers.
By generating a random number, multiplying it by 1000, subtracting 0, adding 1, then adding 0.
What is going on here? -0 + 1 + 0. That's some John special code right there.
What is Konami?
There's a Konami listener, but so there's some hidden features.
Trigger an Easter egg.
What was it? Up, up, down, down,
Left, right, and then...
BA.
Okay, there we go. Passed onboarding with cheating.
Cheated the onboarding. The Konami code automatically follows everyone. That's a fun little Easter egg. I still don't want to follow Kevin though.
This is the other app, so we have a feed.
Upon first impression, this one seems to be a lot more minimalistic, let's put it nicely.
Oh, wait. That's it?
Why is there no login?
Wait, there's no sign in or anything?
Can I go, does this app do anything?
Bob John, who's Bob Johnson?
There are no features in this app. It's all by Bob and Alice, who I don't know.
Yeah, it's cool to see Bob enjoying his life.
This is probably the worst social media app ever.
Why doesn't this app do anything?
As I hit refresh, you see this loading posts text. Yeah, you should have gone with loading spinner.
There's not even a loading spinner.
Loading spinner is not that hard to implement, so.
Although I will say, this app does feel faster than the other app.
Either this was a very lazy robot or just a normal John.
For the first app, I think I would give it a 7 out of 10.
Maybe 7 out of 10, maybe 6.
Stellar, 8 out of 10.
Yeah, for option B, let's see. I would give it 4 out of 10, maybe 3 out of 10.
3 out of 10.
Just a lousy 2. Lousy, lazy, just like terrible code.
Take that, computer. Hey man, how's it going?
Hey, so I got some good news. The executives, they love the app. They just want you to add some stuff. So if you could add AI, actually ASI is really hot right now, so add that, that'd be great. And they also want it to be more reliable. You know, we're like enterprise now, so you gotta make sure it's 5 nines. But good news is you got the whole weekend, so it should be plenty of time. But yeah, that's just about it. Anyways, I gotta run. Really appreciate you taking the time to do this call with me, but my yacht is not gonna sail itself, so see you later.
Yes, man. I quit.